Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a DIY hair mask using bananas, an oil of your choice, and honey. Have you tried it? Keep watching. Hi guys, so I have my deep conditioner already prepared and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to leave a picture in the corner of what it looks like before, like fresh. I put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes while I detangled my hair and washed my hair, and this is what the banana looks like, or the banana mask looks like. I'm excited. Smells amazing. Smells like banana and honey. So I have banana, honey, and I actually used the amazing Alakay Naturals Essential 17 Hair Growth Oil. It contains natural ingredients. It's for kinky, curly, wavy, and straight hair. Let's see what it says. It says, through extensive research by conditioning not 2, but 17 of the best natural ingredients that promotes hair growth, oil blend has helped to stimulate, nourish, strengthen the hair follicle, and reduce dandruff. This custom formula penetrates the scalp to get the nutrients to your follicles. Customers attest to this amazing oil. Check out our website for more details. So yeah, it says shake the bottle, apply the oil directly to the scalp, use the application tip or the applicator tip, massage oil into the scalp well to stimulate. So yeah, this is horsetail powder. This is a great oil. I just need to use the oils that I have. So I actually use Curly Proverbs DIY banana hair mask. So I'll link the video in the description box or in the corner up here, one of these corners. Yeah, so I use that as a base. She used 3 different oils, but this has 17 in it, so I just used the same amount. I think she used a tablespoon of each of the oils, so I just used 3 tablespoons of this. So let's get started. So I'm working on freshly washed and detangled hair. So I'm going to speed this up. Section my hair, and then apply the banana mask, the DIY banana mask. It's super runny. I'm actually over the sink, the bathroom sink. Bananas flying everywhere. So I'm gonna come back when all of my hair is completely done. But this is what it looks like. This is the consistency. Yeah, I'll be back. So I'm on the last section, super messy, but let's see how this turns out. It's also important to detangle your hair prior, because this, although it has honey, which is a natural humectant, so it brings moisture into your hair, as well as the banana, it adds shine as well as manageability. So I think after it activates in my hair, meaning after I sit in it, use my body heat to activate the ingredients. Also, banana has antioxidants for your hair, so it's really good for your hair for shine, manageability, antioxidants, and also the oils that I use from Alakay Naturals. They have a ton of benefits. So I'm going to leave everything on the screen so you're completely aware of the benefits of this natural DIY hair mask. So yeah, I don't have much left, but I'm going to get the last little bit and put it on my hair, and then just twist it up after I have completely detangled it again. So yeah. So I'm going to take the other side down so you can see. Super messy. So look at the super messy. I'm going to so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some more oil on my hair So I'm gonna use this, like maybe a quarter size amount, put it all over my hands, and then just go over each twist. And they're completely like saturated. I'm gonna put some more. So a quarter size amount for each side. That's what I'm doing. Just a little bit of extra oil. And I'm actually going to put a plastic bag on my head. So this is how I do it. I simply tie my hair up like this. Ooh. These are two. I mean, that's one. Because I don't like to use clips that much. And then I'll just tuck that in there so my hair can stay up. Put the plastic bag on my head. And my hair falls down immediately, but it's all in the bag now. And I'd rather put a clip on the outside of the bag. So yeah, so stay, I look a mess. Product and like pre-poo and bananas all on this shirt. But stay tuned for pictures of how my hair turned out, because I'm actually going to sleep in this deep conditioner. If I don't sleep in it, I will rinse it out later tonight, just depending on how I feel. But anyway, I sleep in my deep conditioner, so I will sleep in this one, comprised of banana, honey, and this oil. And just see how my hair turns out. I'm super excited. Thanks to Curly Proverbs for this DIY. I'm a super lazy natural. Do we have any lazy naturals? Yeah, so super lazy, time for DIYs. But it was simply cutting up 2 bananas. I used 1.1 ounce of honey in a small jar. I'll leave a picture in the corner, as well as the oil that I already had. So I didn't have to get, I think she used avocado oil, possibly coconut oil, I think she used, and another oil. I just used this. Use what you have. I'm excited to see the results because Curly Proverbs hair is amazing. I would love to get her length. Stay tuned for the pictures. So it's the same day. I could not sleep in this because banana and honey was dripping down my neck. I was like, let me rinse this out. So I left the banana deep conditioner or mask in for about an hour or 2. So let's see the results. My hair feels strong. Oh no, look at this. What is that? What is that? Is that banana? I'm so glad I washed it out now. Girl, I see my curls are popping, but look at that little stuff. Long story short, I would not do this again. Stick with your regular deep conditioner. No DIYs, because it can be a fail. What is this? Time to wash my hair. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you've tried a DIY that was a fail. This was a total fail. Something told me to wash my hair. I'm so thankful I did. I would have been livid in the morning. See you next time.